Magic in the air. Oh, yes. Have you ever noticed yourself that on some of the days you are feeling very excited, super energetic, and keep on doing the things at the best of your energies? But on some other days, for the same task, you are not feeling that same energetic. Some of the times you have observed for your own self that you are walking in the same street when you observe some kids are playing, you love them, you like them, you are seeing that some people are walking or running, you feel good about it. But for the same scenarios, on some other days, you don't feel like happy, you don't like that everything which is happening regularly. Why it is happening? It's the natural law. This is the law of rhythm. It's not only the ladies who get hits every month, it's the entire universe who gets hit every month. Yes, the law of rhythm hits us at all the levels, but it is up to us how we are taking it, how we are replying, responding, or reacting to it. Best way is to take the responsibility. Yes, response plus ability. Your ability to respond. When you take it firmly, I think then regardless law of rhythm is happening, you can take a good charge of your life in your hands. One of the simple example, last week I just got ready in the morning to go for my morning walk schedule, and the moment I just opened the door, I saw, oh my god, it's raining so heavily. What to do? Because it was raining very heavily, so no other option I had. I just came back inside and sat down. Now I had two options. Number one, either I could enjoy that beautiful rain through my window with a cup of coffee, or I could sit sad. Oh my god, it's raining, I cannot go out, feeling gloomy, weather is not good. So this is up to you how you will respond, how you are replying to that particular situation. What you do depends on your decision, how you go for it. Why I'm sharing all these things with you, law of rhythm and feeling low on some day and high on some day, because there are a number of techniques available to us on Google, on YouTube, and we are keep on applying them. Maybe it's visualization, maybe it's no, maybe it's water technique. We are reprogramming water and we are thinking it's nothing is happening. Maybe for job we are hunting for number of days, number of months, but nothing is happening. Why it is not happening? Just understand things are happening at the back end. Give them some time. As I mentioned in the law of rhythm, things go up and go down. Doesn't matter. Everything is okay. Just relax. Everything is perfect. What you need to have some patience. Infinite patience is the key to get your results faster. So have patience, and to have patience and keep yourself in high emotional state, there is a superb technique, EFT, emotional freedom tapping. Yes, you do it for a couple of minutes and you'll find yourself that how it raises your emotional vibrations. And why this is important to raise the emotional vibration. See, if right now I'm feeling sad, there is a field around me I'm creating and I'm sending those low vibrations in the universe, and I'm gonna attract those low energy material in my life. But if I want at higher level, I need to keep my emotions, my energy at higher level. So I need to send that kind of frequency in the universe. Now the question arises, how to raise that frequency? EFT, emotional freedom tapping technique, very powerful technique. Within couple of minutes your emotional vibrations will be high, and if it doesn't happen in one round, then repeat it. Maybe in 2 or 3 rounds you feel very light. So let's start the process. First thing, choose the topic, choose the area where you are feeling pain. For example, today I'm choosing the area of money, that pain around this topic of money. Let's begin the tapping. Tapping means we are tapping, we are removing the blockages that are there in our body. So even though I have this unprocessed pain around the topic of money, I love myself, I accept myself. Even though I have this unconscious and conscious pain around the topic of money, I love myself, I accept myself. I don't know from where this pain has come, from my genes, from my neighbors, from my parents, from anywhere it has come. I deeply and profoundly love myself and accept myself. After this, take these 2 fingers. Even though I have this pain, I love myself, I accept myself, I choose this pain to let it go. I forgive myself. I allow this pain to let it go. This is the perfect time to let it go. I am so grateful for this consciousness that I'm allowing this pain to let it go. I'm so grateful for the universe that I'm allowing this pain to let it go. Then just sit quiet, take few deep breaths, and see how you are feeling. Initially, if you have given a score to yourself that out of 10, maybe you are at so much of low emotional level that out of 10 you are feeling 10, then after this entire process you must be feeling at little lower number, maybe 8 out of 10, maybe 5 out of 10, maybe 4 out of 10, depends. So keep on doing it until you reach to the score 0. Let me repeat the process once again. Initially, start with a topic, choose any one area. It can be money, it can be health, it can be any issue that you are facing right now. Choose that area, score yourself out of 10, maybe 9 out of 10, maybe 8 out of 10, maybe 10 out of 10. You are doing it because yes, you are at low energy level. After that, start tapping with chopping your two hands. Then your first step is going between above your eyebrows, then at the side of temples, below your eyes, above your upper lip and chin, collarbones, and then again over your head. And then after this, take few deep breaths, 2 or 3, and then again score yourself and let me know in the comment section that how this EFT technique is working for you. You can do it any time of the day. You can do it for any of the area in your life. If anywhere you resonate yourself with my story or with this technique, then do like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you feel like any of your friend, any of your loved one needs it, then please share it. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.